Today we'll be going over a question in Surds, and so what we're going to do is first we're going to simplify our fraction, and then we're going to rationalize our denominator and then move it into the form a plus root 5 over b. Let's write out our fraction. So root 180 minus 2 root 5 over 5 root 5 minus 5. Now simplify root of 180, and that gives us root of 36 times 5, and 36 is our square number, so we square root 36 and bring it out of our root, and so that gives us 6 root 5, and so we substitute that back into our fraction, so we get 6 root 5 minus 2 root 5 over 5 root 5 minus 5 to 4 root 5 over 5 root 5 minus 5. Now we're going to rationalize the denominator. So we write 4 root 5 over 5 root 5 minus 5 multiplied by 5 root 5 plus 5 over 5 root 5 plus 5. So 5 root 5 plus 5 is the conjugate of 5 root 5 minus 5. So now we're going to multiply our two fractions together. So we get 20 times root 5 times root 5 plus 20 root 5 over, and so with our denominators we get a minus b and a plus b. They can be written as that. This is not related to the form that the question asks our answer to be, but those two denominators form the difference of two squares when they're multiplied together, and so we get 5 root 5 the whole squared minus 5 squared. This can be simplified further as 20 times 5 plus 20 root 5 over, and so we square our 5, so we get 25 times 5, which is our root 5 squared. We get minus 25 is equal to 100 plus 20 root 5 over 125 minus 25 is equal to 100 plus 20 root 5 over 100. And now we can split this fraction into two different fractions. So we can get 100 over 100 plus 20 root 5 over 100. And so we can simplify our fractions. So 100 is divided by 100, and we get 1. And 20 over 100 gives us 1 over 5. And so you can write it in the final form as 1 plus root 5 over 5. And as we can see in the question, it forms the same format as a plus root 5 over b. As always, thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.